Hello students, how are you? Today we all of learn about the topic packaging of DNA. Packaging of DNA, chapter molecular basis of inheritance. The next topic is packaging of DNA. In the previous session, we all of know what is DNA, structure of DNA, various parts of study of the DNA structures. The DNA is different types based on the presence of number of base pair in them. That is aDNA, bDNA, cDNA, zDNA. These are the various type of DNAs. Present the number of base pair in them. The aDNA 11 base pairs, bDNA 10 base pairs, cDNA 9.33 base pairs, zDNA 12 base pairs. So these are the various types of DNA. 11 base pairs, 10 base pairs, and 9.33 base pairs, and Z have 12 base pairs. These are various types of DNA. Presence of how much base pairs are present in them. Packaging of DNA. Packaging of DNA. Packaging of DNA. The DNA packaging in the prokaryotes, the nucleic acids is the long strand structures which composed of some proteins known as nucleoids. Thus, in the higher organism, the nucleosomes. So what are the nucleosomes? Nucleosomes क्या है? It is the negatively charged of DNA. Negatively charged of DNA wrapped around the positive charge of histone octamer. मतलब इसमें क्या होता है कि डीएनए का जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है ये प्रोटीन ऑक्टोमर्स है. प्रोटीन ऑक्टोमर्स के चारों तरफ नेगेटिवली चार्ज डीएनए, ये डीएनए रैप्ड इज नोन एज न्यूक्लियोसोम्स. ये है डीएनए हिस्टोन ऑप्टोमर, हिस्टोन ऑप्टोमर्स, और this is the histone protein. It is the structure of nucleosomes. Structure of nucleosome में क्या देख रहे हैं कि डीएनए द नेगेटिवली चार्ज wrapped around the positive charge histone optimers is known as nucleosomes. The nucleosomes forms chromatin. The chromatins are two types. Chromatins heterochromatin or euchromatin, and heterochromatin. Heterochromatin. So what is the differences between euchromatin and heterochromatin? Euchromatin, in this type of structures or chromatin, the DNA is loosely packed. DNA is loosely packed and it takes less stain. इसमें स्टेनिंग कम होती है, कम कलर को एब्जॉर्ब करता है, एंड इट इज द एक्टिव फॉर द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. और ये जो यूक्रोमेटिन है ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के लिए एक्टिव होता है, मतलब उसमें अच्छी तरीके से रोल प्ले करता है. हेट्रोक्रोमेटिन, इन दिस द डीएनए इज डेंसली पैक्ड. It takes much stain and less active for the transcription process, and the less active for the transcription process. So this is the differences between euchromatin and heterochromatin. The next topic is transforming principle. Transforming principle. Transforming principles. This principle was proposed by Frederick Griffith in 1928. They use the colonies of bacteria for his experiments. They use two types of colonies of bacteria, S strain and R strain. R strain, smooth colonies bacteria, and R for rough colonies bacteria. First of all, they used S strain bacteria which causes pneumonia in the organism or mice. First of all, in the first phase, they use S strain bacteria inject in the mice. Due to the injecting of the S strain bacteria, pneumonia occurs in mice and mice die. In the second stage, they use R strain bacteria and inject in the mice the bacteria live and did not die. In the third phase, they use heat killed S strain bacteria. In the third phase, S strain को किल कर दिया, गर्म करके हीट करके उसको मार दिया, फिर उसको इंजेक्ट किया माइस में और माइस लाइव, माइस में कोई बीमारी निमोनिया नहीं हुई और वो जिंदा रहा. बट इन द फोर्थ स्टेज, इन द फोर्थ फेज, दे यूज S strain heat killed bacteria with R strain bacteria and inject in the mice. The mice die. And mice die. So he concluded that some specific features which convert R strain into S strain. मतलब जो R strain बैक्टीरिया था, जो उसका जीनोम था, वो कन्वर्ट हो गया S strain, ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया, बदल गया और उसके कारण उसमें निमोनिया हो गया और वो माइस डाई हो. तो दिस इज नोन एज द ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ आर ग्रिफिथ एक्सपेरिमेंट. ग्रिफिथ एक्सपेरिमेंट. After some times, some scientists, Osa, Wall, Avery, McCarthy, and other scientists concluded that the transformation of R strain into S strain due to the presence of DNA. इसमें DNA के कारण जो है ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ. They also concluded that the RNase and pectinase does not play important role in the transformation. Only DNase enzymes play important role in the transformation. Okay? So this is the transforming principle or Griffith experiment. Okay. Who proposed Griffith experiment? Griffith experiments किसने दिया? ग्रिफिथ ने दिया. कब दिया? किस ईयर में दिया? 1928. ग्रिफिथ ने अपने एक्सपेरिमेंट में किसका यूज किया? बैक्टीरियास कॉलोनी, आर स्ट्रेन एंड एस स्ट्रेन. एस स्ट्रेन मतलब स्मूथ कॉलोनीज ऑफ बैक्टीरिया विच कॉजेज निमोनिया. R strain rough colonies of bacteria which does not cause pneumonia. So these are the two colonies and of bacteria and mice are used for experiments and tells us to how transformation takes place in his experiments. Okay.